Hi everybody, welcome back to Lifecom India. Today I'm going to tell you about the benefits of eggplant, which is also known as king of vegetables, and I will also share one recipe of eggplant which will be loved by kids and adults as well. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go ahead and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So let's get started. Now, do you know what are the benefits of eggplant? Here are some benefits that I am going to tell you. Like eggplant is rich in calcium, iron, magnesium and several other important nutrients. Eggplant is also rich in fiber, potassium, vitamin C and antioxidants. Eggplant skin, called nasonin, is a potent antioxidant and free radical scavenger that has been shown to protect cell membranes from damage. Hence, eggplant acts as a brain food itself. Now comes the benefit of eggplant for skin and hair. For skin, eggplant acts as an anti-aging agent. It treats sun damage, gives soft and supple skin, provides glowing skin. For hair, eggplant is always healthy. It maintains a healthy scalp. It boosts hair growth and treats brittle hair. Now, the most important part of this video is benefits of eggplant for babies. Eggplant contains a huge amount of vitamin A and folate. Eggplant contains a wonderful amount of calcium as well, which is very important for growing children. Eggplant contains fiber, a most important part of any diet, as fiber helps maintaining the bowel regularity. Now I'm going to share a recipe of eggplant with you guys. The first is we need to cut the eggplant into pieces. Next, we need to wash it properly and sprinkle some salt and turmeric on it. Then we have to heat the pan and add some mustard oil in it. Now fry the pieces of eggplant until it's golden brown. It's ready to serve hot. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.